The difference between an ordinary and an extraordinary person is their ability to concentrate. If you want to succeed in life, this is the ability you got to develop. Because success in no field is possible without the ability to concentrate, and this is the skill the young people are struggling with these days. To concentrate is the island of brain activities in the ocean of calmness. When you concentrate or focus upon something, you give all importance to that one thing with giving little importance or no importance to anything else. Let's know how to create this bubble. If you want to create this bubble, set aside a different time period, or let's take example of Pomodoro technique where you set aside 20 minutes to focus, and then after completing that time period you take a break of few minutes, then you again come back. This is a great strategy, but you got to set a time where you attempt this. Because for some people it is easy to concentrate in morning, while for others it is easy to concentrate at night. Check for yourself that which time suits you better. Number two, clearing the space you are going to work in. For example, decluttering a table where you got to work. This is important to see that whether your field of vision doesn't have anything which can distract you. Part of decluttering also includes decluttering or removing the sounds, for example, through using noise cancelling headphones and through playing soothing background music, which can tune out all the unnecessary sounds which can distract you. Rather, it would help you create a soothing background. Optimize your diet and hydration. Remember, you haven't eaten full meal rich in carb and sugar just before starting your task, because this is gonna be very difficult for you to focus in. Make sure you have taken something an hour or half an hour before sitting for your task, not just few minutes before sitting for your task, because it would make you feel heavy and it would be difficult to concentrate there. Make sure that you have take some thing which is rich in protein and antioxidants instead, to make you feel more rejuvenated. Hunger pangs are also reasons which make you concentrate less, so make sure that you do eat before sitting for a task. When it comes to hydration, even dehydration can be a cause which doesn't let you focus. So it's better to keep a bottle full of water next to you before you sit for a task. Avoid multitasking. Make sure that in one concentration bubble, you focus on one thing. Because switching from one task to another requires a whole lot of energy. And people who are doing multitasking think that, oh, I am getting done with so many works. I am doing five things at a time. I am being super productive. But that is an illusion of productivity. In a long run, you won't be benefited because you are doing all those things superficially. So, in a long run, it is better to get done with one thing first and doing it so well and then switching to another thing. One more hindrance which comes while you focus, while you concentrate, is your own thoughts. You can manage the web of your thoughts through meditation and breathing exercises. This would help a lot. And if you really want to focus more, you gotta let go of your ego. Because the more you think about yourself, the more you think about your problems, the more you think about everything which has happened with you, the more distracted you will be, the less you'd be able to focus.